Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing or hiding widgets in the taskbar on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Widgets are on the left of the sidebar and show things such as the weather or stock market tickers. Here is how to turn them on or off. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization Settings, select Taskbar. Here in the taskbar options, you can enable or disable widgets using the toggle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.